guys, tasty little RS3 in for you today. We're fitting downpipes on this, so I'll just do you a little before and after so you can see what it sounds like. Come on, Carl. That's with valves closed. I think we've got a valve issue, to be honest. I think one of the clips is broke on valves, because when you're revving it, it's opening and it's rattling like mad. Yep. Woo. So already sounds pretty naughty, already a standard. I think exhaust standard, it looks it anyway, looking underneath. So we'll get it up in air, get these downpipes on, and let you listen to it after. So exhaust is completely standard, resonators are intact, back box is intact. It has had Milltek secondary cat delete pipes, but the main cat up here, you can't see it's a bit dark, but the main cat's still in. So that's what we'll be removing today. We'll be fitting these downpipes, that removes all the cats. So a little issue with this is if we tighten this up, it's going to be pressed hell hard against that cooler, which is not ideal. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this in our folder. We're going to put a bend in it there to bend this top bit of plate, bottom bit of plate out, sorry. And then we're going to put another bend in it there back opposite way to try and bring that away from that cooler a little bit. Don't like that. So downpipe's all fitted up. We're going to give it an after clip, but we're not going to do it with valves closed, just because the valve on this left side's broken. It's rattling like mad and it sounds atrocious. So yeah, go on, open valves, Carl. Bang the big point. So, downpipes made a nice difference. It sounded good before, sounds extra spicy now. Yeah, all good. Sounds nice, that. Tasty, that. Spicy, that, innit? Quite fast as well, that. Spicy, that. Great nice. Great nice raft to it. It sounds beautiful. Power to me. It's coming back. He said something about tuning it soon. Yeah, it's standard power that. Sounds nice though. Sounds very nice. What's this? Smoky. thank him. Exhaust sounds beautiful, really nice. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you want to know what it sounds like, now you know. Catch you in the next one.